Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show the process how do we travel from USA to India during this COVID time. I recently traveled to India, so what I followed I am going to tell you basically. So before traveling, we need to take RT-PCR test, that is a COVID test. I went to Walgreens and I gave my test 3 days before, and also CVS. I gave two of them for the safe side. Generally, Walgreens takes long time. రేపు మార్నింగ్ 11 o'clock ఫ్లైట్ అంటే నాకు నైట్ 10 o'clock రిజల్ట్స్ వచ్చినాయి. కొంచెం టెన్షన్ అయింది, కాకపోతే ఇట్ వర్క్డ్ అవుట్. రిజల్ట్స్ వచ్చేసినాయి. Once you get the results, the CVS or any pharmacy will send you the email copy of that negative, right? So we have to submit that in the Aid Suvidha form. If you search in the Google, you will get that website and you can go there and add all your information, flight details, as well as you have to upload the RT-PCR negative test results form into that Aid Suvidha. ఒకసారి వెబ్సైట్ చెక్ చేయండి, రీసెంట్గా చేంజెస్ అయినాయి చాలా మటుకు. కొన్ని ఎయిర్పోర్ట్స్ నెగిటివ్ తో పాటు దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫర్ ద వ్యాక్సినేషన్ రికార్డ్స్ ఆల్సో. జస్ట్ చెక్ ఇట్ వన్స్. So to travel you need a passport, valid passport with the dates not expired, RT-PCR test negative results, safe to have the COVID vaccination records copy and Air Suvidha copy. Make sure to take the photocopy of each of your documents, just in case they ask you, you can hand over to them. So on the day of travel in the airport, for me, they have not verified any of the forms. They just checked my passport and RT-PCR negative results. I showed the copy, then they allowed me. I boarded into the flight and they gave the face mask and the sanitization box, small one. They're pretty much clean actually. I went to the Qatar Airways. They maintained very well. Flights are clean and sanitized. So the first layover వచ్చి దోహాలో ఉండింది. Actually I reached to Doha. You can see సేఫ్గా రీచ్ అయిపోయినాము. మధ్యలో ఫుడ్ మంచిగానే సర్వ్ చేసిండ్రు. ఫుడ్ బాగుండింది, వెరీ హాట్, అండ్ దే హ్యావ్ ఆల్ ఆప్షనల్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ, వెజిటేరియన్, నాన్ వెజిటేరియన్, vegan, Indian, Hindu meal. All options are available. Whichever you want, you can choose it. Food also good unde, and most of the time I watched couple of movies and slept for some time, and we reached Doha. Here is Doha. So beautiful kada. Idi mana Doha logo untadi basic ga. That's what I shooted. So at Doha I had a 2 hour layover. I just went to the gate there, which is traveling to Hyderabad. I went there and I was waiting in the waiting area. When I'm taking the boarding pass there, they checked my again there in the negative RT-PCR test and also the passport and boarding pass, and they gave the COVID kit, face mask, COVID dress and also the face shield. They are making sure we are wearing them because it's a small flight, and also so Doha to Hyderabad, the flight journey was also smooth. They served the food, one meal served చేసిండ్రు. The food was good and the flight was clean and neat. Overall journey was good actually, and when we landed to Hyderabad, there is a huge lines because same time many airlines reach to Hyderabad same time, international flight. So heavy crowd, we had to wait in the line for a couple of hours to show our RT-PCR negative results, and also actually they took the COVID test at the airport, so we have to give the samples there, and they put some stamp on the hand, and also if and they shared the results in the mobile phone. We have to give our mobile phone details, right? So they checked Air Suvidha forms there. We have to hand over a copy, photocopy there. So make sure to carry the photocopies, guys. That's important. I hand over the RT-PCR negative test results copy and Air Suvidha copy there, and I provided my COVID test again in the airport, and they do the custom clarifications and also stamped on my hand that I arrived on this particular date. And I safely reached home, and after 1 day I got a message from the airport saying that my COVID test results are negative, so no worries there. I don't know what happens if positive, but luckily I got my negative results. So I heard if you get positive results, I think you need to home quarantine for a couple of weeks. At that time, I went to India in October time frame, so that was the rule. Now the rules are changed again, so please make sure you check before you are traveling and take all your necessary documentation with you. Don't worry, flights are really safe. Everybody taking the precautions. So my parents వచ్చిండ్రు నన్ను పిక్ చేసుకునికే. I was very happy on seeing them. It's been 2 years and they're literally waiting for me. They are very happy. Those moments are, I cannot explain. So yeah, hope you like this video. If you like it, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you all for watching. Bye.